thing smells so good, like literally. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again, yes, one more again, to talk about the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. She is at Ulta, y'all. I am excited. I'm just gonna start by saying she is my all-time favorite natural hair guru on YouTube and Instagram, everything. Which this is creator of Natural85 on YouTube. Go watch her stuff, subscribe. And before I get into it, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And give me a thumbs up while you're down there. And let's chat it up in the comment section. Let's get right into this review. With this review, I want to just say that she is one of my favorite, like I said at the beginning, she's one of my favorite YouTube natural hair gurus on Instagram and YouTube. Mainly from YouTube is where I found her years ago. I love her videos, her content so much. She is the first YouTuber with natural hair that I actually followed her step by step, and my hair came out literally the same. And I said, this is witchcraft. Because literally, you know, everybody know the story about natural hair reviews. It's like, it's trash. People are gonna lie, or they use certain things off a camera, or it's not the exact same, you know? Oh, I was like, okay, well, I definitely gave her a try. And every time, I did her looks like 3 times on myself. And every single time it came out perfect. And I said, okay, she's good. She's my favorite. She's my favorite. I definitely can't wait to get into this product and tell you all about it. So with this product, I did get it from Ulta Beauty. And this was $16.99, I believe. And this did work on the little $3.50 coupon, crazy enough. But this hair care is perfect. It's perfect. I love this one. So it is described as a multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. It says it has nourishing baobab, I hope I'm saying it right, oil and turnip root plus pro vitamin B5. I said, okay. And then it actually has a sticker. It says best of the best, naturally curly 2020 award winner. So that's what came on the little bottle. So I said, okay. So it says no sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil, no phthalates, I don't know how to say that. So this is a conditioner like no other. It says, I hope you enjoy the soothing, moisturizing, and helps repair your hair from the inside out. Use to condition hair after cleansing as a leave-in conditioner, as detangler, and rehydrate during this week. Ooh, as indulge your hair in moisture. I did not know you could put it back in your hair because I didn't read it. I just say I'm gonna put it in once I wash my hair. I got in the shower, you know, washed my hair, the regular routine, yada yada. Then I got out and detangled my hair with her, you know, leave-in conditioner. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is 16.1 fluid ounces. This is a big on. You have the little pump too. And let me tell you one thing. Oh, this thing smells so good. Like literally, it's like minty. Like I'm trying to see what they have in here. It's like, they said aloe vera, jojoba oil, turnip root extract. I don't see any, well, menthol, okay, spearmint and bamboo extract. Okay, spearmint is very strong in this smell, and it does make your scalp tingle, but not in a burning sensation, but it just feels very like energizing on the scalp. So with this guy, I end up using I separate my hair in 4 sections. So I did use about, I wanna say about that much of a size, but 2 of those for 1 section. I like my stuff nice and creamy, and this was nice and creamy, had a little slip to it, but it wasn't as thick as like maybe a very deep kind of like hair mask or whatnot. But this was a really good light leave-in conditioner. It's not too thick or heavy, and I really enjoy this experience. It was very nice and slick, easy to detangle my hair out with. I didn't know I can refresh my hair with it, so I'm probably gonna do that because this hair is actually, this is 2-day-old hair with it in there. So yeah, I know at the top it's a little bit something, but I did use my Bantu knots with this hair, and the curl's still in there. But see, look, it's still so shiny and bouncy and purred. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, this stuff, it does last in your hair for a very long time. One thing I realized is my scalp and everything still smells like spearmint. Okay, I like that, yeah. So my hair looks nice and full and nice and glossy still. These, like, look at this. Okay, it's one of these curls in here I was like looking at today, and I said, that is a perfect perfect barrel, kind of ringlet, kind of, I think it's this one. Like, look at them. It locked this moisture in my head, y'all. Like, it's really good, but it's not heavy at all. And that's why I'm kind of like tripping, like, why is this stuff not heavy? But it's so good. It's so good. I really love this. And she did sign it. After 85, I love her stuff. I still watch her YouTube channel. I still be watching them. I was like, I know how to do a lot of stuff now, but I'm like, I still watch your stuff because it's good quality and it's good content. I do want to buy her whole set, but I wish she did give a gift set, especially for the holidays. But I understand if she don't, I'm still gonna go back and get everything else. I believe she did have an Ulta. She had a thicker hair leave-in conditioner, and then she had an oil blend and a African black soap shampoo, I believe. I definitely want to get the rest of that and do the whole routine, because I really wonder, because this is locking my hair in. Like, look at that. The curls, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. And I still, like, even on my pillow, because I got a silk satin pillowcase, y'all, and my pillowcase still smells like mint, and I'm just like, oh, yeah, it just smells so good still. I really enjoy this experience with that, and I hope you guys enjoy too. I did do Bantu knots on my hair to literally get that nice kind of fluffy but shorter, kind of puffy kind of curls. And I think it came out really pretty. I really do like how it came out, and I like that it's still retaining the gloss, the oil, the shine. My hair doesn't feel dry whatsoever. At all whatsoever. It has locked in those Bantu knots like nobody's business. But I think it's very light. People that like richer creams probably try her other one that comes in a big tub. But with this one, it's going to be a lot softer and lighter of a leave-in conditioner. It's not as thick or heavy, I assume, compared to other ones. I haven't tried the other one yet. We'll see. Yeah, this locked in my Bantu knots better than I ever have before. So this is really pretty. I want to say I'm shocked, but I'm not, because I knew her stuff would be quality because her YouTube videos alone was quality. So I was like, her product's going to be quality because from a video she's quality. So I'm a fan, always been, always will be. I really enjoy doing this little tutorial. I enjoy using her stuff finally, because I know I've seen it online for a long time, and I said I really want to try her stuff. So I'm glad that I finally actually have it. Finally got my hands on some of her things. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited to venture more into her stuff, and does different type of styling products as well, because her sizes are pretty good. Like, all of them are bigger like this. Even her shampoo is like that. Her oil blend is about like this big. It's a really big one. I think her sizing is perfect. I think the sit is perfect, and I think literally what she describes on it is accurate. It's very accurate. She's not like, oh, this is the richest and it's gonna be so thick, and nope. Yeah, guys, I really enjoy the Melanin, this multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. I love it. The smell is immaculate, and it stays in your pillow, stays in your silk bonnet, whatever you wrap your hair up in. And then my scalp still smells like spearmint. It's pretty awesome. It stays in that head, and this hair is looking quite hydrated and quite pretty. I don't know about, I want to try definitely more from her, because I knew this was gonna be great. Can't wait to try more. So again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Again, don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me if you like the product yourself. Have you tried the rest of her stuff? Does she have more coming out? I'm gonna check, let me know. And let's chat it up. Do you think the Bantu knots came out really good? I think they came out like nice and hydrated, really nice and pretty. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.